Which of the following is not considered a major nutrient in food? निम्नलिखित में से किसे भोजन में प्रमुख पोषक तत्व नहीं माना जाता है? Answer is vitamins.
Fill in the blanks. Carbohydrates and fats are categorized as blank in our food. Answer is macronutrients.
Give the answers in true or false. All foods contain all the major nutrients. सभी खाद्य पदार्थों में सभी प्रमुख पोषक तत्व मौजूद होते हैं. Answer is false.
Which nutrient is primarily responsible for providing energy to the body? शरीर को ऊर्जा प्रदान करने के लिए मुख्य रूप से कौन सा पोषक तत्व जिम्मेदार है? Answer is fats.
How can the presence of starch in a food item be tested? किसी खाद्य पदार्थ में स्टार्च की उपस्थिति का परीक्षण कैसे किया जा सकता है? Answer is adding iodine solution.
Which color indicates the presence of starch in a food item? कौन सा रंग किसी खाद्य पदार्थ में स्टार्च की उपस्थिति को दर्शाता है? Answer is blue black.
What does a violet color in the test for proteins indicate? प्रोटीन के परीक्षण में बैंगनी रंग क्या दर्शाता है? Answer is presence of proteins.
What is the purpose of dietary fibers in our diet? हमारे आहार में आहार फाइबर का उद्देश्य क्या है? Answer is aid in digestion.
Which nutrient helps in protecting the body against diseases? कौन सा पोषक तत्व शरीर को बीमारियों से बचाने में मदद करता है? Answer is vitamins.
Which vitamin helps the body to use calcium for bones and teeth? कौन सा विटामिन शरीर को हड्डियों और दांतों के लिए कैल्शियम का उपयोग करने में मदद करता है? Answer is vitamin D.
Which cooking method results in the loss of certain nutrients? खाना पकाने की किस विधि से कुछ पोषक तत्व नष्ट हो जाते हैं? Answer is boiling.
What can excessive consumption of fat-rich foods lead to? वसायुक्त खाद्य पदार्थों के अत्यधिक सेवन से क्या हो सकता है? Answer is obesity.
Which term refers to diseases caused by the lack of specific nutrients over a long period? कौन सा शब्द लंबे समय तक विशिष्ट पोषक तत्वों की कमी से होने वाली बीमारियों को संदर्भित करता है? Answer is deficiency diseases.
What is the main component of roughage? रफेज का मुख्य घटक क्या है? Answer is dietary fibers.
What is the primary function of proteins in the body? शरीर में प्रोटीन का प्राथमिक कार्य क्या है? Answer is growth and repair of tissues.
Which nutrient gives much more energy compared to the same amount of carbohydrates? कौन सा पोषक तत्व समान मात्रा में कार्बोहाइड्रेट की तुलना में अधिक ऊर्जा देता है? Answer is fats.
Which vitamin helps in keeping our skin and eyes healthy? कौन सा विटामिन हमारी त्वचा और आंखों को स्वस्थ रखने में मदद करता है? Answer is vitamin A.
What is the main source of roughage in our diet? हमारे आहार में रोगेज का मुख्य स्रोत क्या है? Answer is fruits and vegetables.
Which nutrient is primarily responsible for the growth and repair of our body? कौन सा पोषक तत्व हमारे शरीर की वृद्धि और मरम्मत के लिए मुख्य रूप से जिम्मेदार है? Answer is proteins.
Which nutrient is tested by observing for a violet color in the test tube? टेस्ट ट्यूब में बैंगनी रंग देखकर किस पोषक तत्व का परीक्षण किया जाता है? Answer is proteins.
What is the primary purpose of vitamins in our body? हमारे शरीर में विटामिन का प्राथमिक उद्देश्य क्या है? Answer is disease prevention, रोग की रोकथाम.
What happens if a person does not get enough proteins in their food over a long time? यदि किसी व्यक्ति को लंबे समय तक अपने भोजन में पर्याप्त प्रोटीन न मिले तो क्या होगा? Answer is stunted growth.
Which cooking method results in the loss of certain minerals if excess water is used? यदि अधिक पानी का उपयोग किया जाए तो खाना पकाने की किस विधि से कुछ खनिजों की हानि होती है? Answer is boiling.
What is the main function of carbohydrates in our body? हमारे शरीर में कार्बोहाइड्रेट का मुख्य कार्य क्या है? Answer is provide energy.
The main carbohydrates found in our food are in the form of blank and sugars. Answer is starch.
Blank provide much more energy compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Answer is fats.
Proteins are needed for the blank and repair of our body. Answer is growth.
The presence of starch in a food item can be tested using blank solution. Answer is iodine.
A violet color in the test for proteins indicates the presence of blank. Answer is proteins.
The presence of fats in a food item can be observed by the appearance of an blank patch on paper. Answer is oily.
Blank are also known as roughage and are mainly provided by plant products in our foods. Answer is dietary fibers.
Vitamins help in protecting our body against blank. Answer is diseases.
Vitamin blank helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Answer is D.
A diet that includes all essential nutrients in the right proportions is called a blank. Answer is balanced diet.
Consuming excessive amounts of fat-rich foods can lead to blank. Answer is obesity.
Diseases caused by the lack of specific nutrients over a long period are called blank. Answer is deficiency diseases.
The main component of roughage is blank. Answer is dietary fibers.
Water helps in nutrient absorption and blank removal from the body. Answer is waste.
Proteins are primarily responsible for the blank and repair of tissues. Answer is growth.
Deficiency diseases can be prevented by consuming a blank diet. Answer is balanced.
Dietary fibers, also known as roughage, are mainly provided by blank products in our foods. Answer is plant.
Cooking methods like boiling may result in the loss of certain blank. Answer is vitamins.
Diseases caused by the lack of specific nutrients over a long period are termed as blank diseases. Answer is deficiency.
Carbohydrates mainly provide blank to our body. Answer is energy.
The primary purpose of vitamins in our body is disease blank. Answer is energy production.
If a person does not get enough proteins in their food over a long time, they may suffer from blank growth. Answer is stunted.
Blank cooking methods may result in the loss of certain nutrients if excess water is used. Answer is boiling.
Carbohydrates primarily provide blank to our body. Answer is energy.
Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. कार्बोहाइड्रेट हमारे शरीर के लिए ऊर्जा का मुख्य स्रोत हैं। Answer is true.
Proteins are needed for building and repairing tissues in the body. शरीर में ऊतकों के निर्माण और मरम्मत के लिए प्रोटीन की आवश्यकता होती है। Answer is true.
Fats are only a source of energy. वसा केवल ऊर्जा का एक स्रोत है. Answer is false.
Vitamins are needed in large amounts by our body. हमारे शरीर को बड़ी मात्रा में विटामिन की आवश्यकता होती है. Answer is false.
Minerals are not essential for proper growth and good health. उचित विकास और अच्छे स्वास्थ्य के लिए खनिज आवश्यक नहीं है. Answer is false.
Dietary fiber provides nutrients to our body. आहारीय फाइबर हमारे शरीर को पोषक तत्व प्रदान करता है. Answer is false.
Water is not a nutrient but is still essential for our body. पानी कोई पोषक तत्व नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी यह हमारे शरीर के लिए आवश्यक है. Answer is true.
A balanced diet should contain all the nutrients in equal amounts. संतुलित आहार में सभी पोषक तत्व समान मात्रा में होने चाहिए. Answer is false.
People of all ages need the same type of balanced diet. सभी उम्र के लोगों को एक ही प्रकार के संतुलित आहार की आवश्यकता होती है. Answer is false.
Cooking always destroys nutrients in food. खाना पकाने से हमेशा भोजन के पोषक तत्व नष्ट हो जाते हैं. Answer is true.
Eating too much fat-rich food can lead to obesity. बहुत अधिक वसा युक्त भोजन खाने से मोटापा हो सकता है. Answer is true.
Deficiency diseases can be caused by a lack of nutrients in our diet. हमारे आहार में पोषक तत्वों की कमी के कारण ही कमी से होने वाली बीमारियां हो सकती हैं. Answer is true.
A balanced diet can prevent deficiency diseases. संतुलित आहार से कमी से होने वाली बीमारियों को रोका जा सकता है. Answer is true.